When we look at multiplying radicals, we're going to multiply piece by piece. The first piece of this puzzle is to multiply the values outside of the radical. In this case, we have a 7 and a 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Next, we're going to multiply the terms inside the radical, so we'll draw our radical sign to keep them inside the radical, and start with our whole numbers. 14 times 2 is 28. Moving on to the variables, x to the 7th power times x. Remember, this x has a little 1 as an exponent we can't see. And when we multiply variables with exponents, we add them. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now, before I'm done, I am going to simplify this radical by trying to take out all of the perfect squares. 28 can be written as 4 times 7 times x to the 8th. It can be helpful to break these into individual radicals. The 4, the 7, and the x to the 8th. The square root of 4 is 2. This is a perfect square. This does not come out as 212. It comes out as 21 times 2. The square root of 7 cannot be simplified any further. We'll leave it there. And the square root of x to the 8th is x to the 4th power. Dividing the exponent 8 by the root index 2 gives me 4. 21 times 2 is 42. X to the 4th, and underneath my radical remains the 7 that could not be simplified.